How to create a drop-down menu, Shopify tutorial for beginners. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can create a drop-down menu in Shopify. Now, Shopify is one of the world's most popular e-commerce tools, and it has simplified selling products with a really simple, easy to build tool, which can help you in building your website, as well as building navigation pages and navigation menus. So if you want to get started with building a drop-down menu, simply head on over to your Shopify dashboard. Once you go into your Shopify dashboard, you're going to click on Online Store on the left. Once you click on Online Store on the left, you can scroll down, and in this, you will see we have pages, preferences, and other information, but you don't see a direct option to alter your theme. And this is something that you are actually going to find in a different tab of your online store, because a lot of people go into their theme, click on customize, and if you try to customize your menu from here, it's not going to work. So the way that we're going to do this, I'm just going to show you how to do this on a brand new store. And we're going to do this on Allure. And when you click on your store's online store option on the left side over here, we can see that we can rename, edit the default code, we can design our store, we can generate themes. But what we're going to do is we're actually going to go ahead and go into our navigation settings. So you can search for this as well. Usually Shopify does not, edit this too much, but if you search for navigation, you will find this option for menus, and you're going to find this right under your content option. And we have our main menu. You're going to select that, and then you can start adding menu items. So currently, I'll show you guys what our menu looks like. So we just have a catalog, a content, and a home tab. And if I want to make this a drop-down, let's say I want to remove catalog and I want to add a menu item, and this is going to be called shop, and this is going to be a link to all of our products. So I'm going to click on all products and then click on save. Then I want to add another menu item, which is going to be, let's say, our truffle eyeshadow palette, and I just want to add that as a sub-menu item to shop. So the way to add it as a drop-down item, I'm going to hold it, and when I hold the menu item from the left dots, I can move it towards the right. When I move it towards the right, it becomes a sub-menu item like this, and then this becomes a drop-down menu. Now I can add multiple menu items into any particular drop-down. So if I have another product or another collection, I can add that as well. I'm gonna do this in a different store where we have multiple products added, so you guys can better see how you can actually build this. So in this store, I think, we have multiple different products. So I'm gonna go into content and then go into menus. Once you go into menus, click on main menu, and I'm gonna delete the product types, make a frenzy, and I'm gonna delete the catalog option. I'm gonna add a link for shop, which is going to lead to the all products section. Then I'm gonna add different categories. So in my categories or in my collections, I can add different collections. Let's say I have eyes or eyeshadow. Let's say I have eyeshadow. Then after that, I'm going to add the secondary menu item, which is going to be, let's say, lip product. So I'm going to go into my collections over here, then select lips, and then it will lead to the lip product collections, and then click on save. Now all I have to do is hold this from the left and move it towards the right like so. And I'm going to move this right under shop, not under lips. And I'm going to move lips into the section under shop as well. Now if I have further categorizations, so let's say in lip products, I have lip gloss and liquid lipsticks. I can add another menu item. Let's say I have the specific product that I want to add. So I'm going to search for the link. And let's say we have our liquid lipstick. I'm going to hold this, move it under lips, and then move it to the right once more. Now I have a drop-down menu within a drop-down menu, and then I can click on save. Now because I made these changes in my main menu, I am not going to have to alter this whatsoever. I can just use it. I'm not going to have to reset it in my online store and select a different menu. If I open up my store right now, this is what my menu looks like. So I have a drop-down menu for shop. And then after that, we have eyeshadow and lips. And if I click on lips, I have another drop-down. Now, this is a standard menu with a drop-down option. However, some people like their menus to be hidden. So if you want your main menu, the entire thing itself, to be hidden and for you to be able to click to view the entire thing, then you can use a different option, which is going to be present within your online store. So you can go into your online store and open up the Shopify editor and click on Customize to open this up. Once you do that, you will see your header, and then if you click on your header, you can see your desktop. I'm gonna delete this logo section, or this navigation function. We are gonna delete like so. And over here, you guys can see that if I click on the header and go into our header settings, we have the main menu. Then we have the options. If I want it to be a mega menu, if I want it to be a drop-down menu, or if I want it to be a drawer menu. This is what a drawer menu looks like. So people click on it and then it opens. Then we have the mega menu option, and then we have the drop-down menu option, which we are going to be using. And then you can just click on save on the top right to save these settings. And just like that, you have this really nice and simple to use drop-down menu. Now, within a drop-down menu, usually you are going to have to create collections, and you're going to have to create some sort or form of categorization for your products. So if you're looking to build that categorization system, then you're going to go into the collections option in your product. So when you click on product on the top right, or on the top left, sorry, and you click on collections, you can start building your own collections. What this does is that instead of having to manually add one product as an individual menu item, you can basically add all of your products in one collection that fall under one specific niche. So if I have multiple variants of a singular type of product, I can have those be listed all within my store in a really efficient way with collections. To build a collection, just click on Create Collection, and once you click on Create Collection over here, you are going to be able to add as many products manually, or you can add a smart option which can automate your collection process, where you're able to add collections and products in collections by adding tags, and any product that has the specific tag is going to be added to the collection. So just like that, you can create a drop-down menu within Shopify. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or queries, you guys can leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.